today is about giving the community of Newport lots of key information to help them through a debt position, energy costs, lowering bills with water charges, welfare, health and well-being. And as well as all of that, there's lots of fun activities for children to engage on, such as there's balloon making, face painting, make your own mask, arts and crafts, lots of good stuff today.
I'm coming today because my friends invite me to coming here for the Welsh Water family event. It's a lot of information about how you can save the money for the waters and all like things. It's not only for the adults, a lot of things for the kids, but it's good as well. Little bit, parents can a little bit relax.
I think today was a really lovely day because I done everything.
I've never seen so many people at an event. It's absolute circus out there. There's so many kids. It's fabulous.
There was down there, there's a lot of painting, like a lot of painting area, and collecting freebies.
Playing Lego, there's some Lego, and there's some stuff in there like key rings and stuff.
And they did hot dogs too.